Hey everyone, Jay here from the Volo Auto Museum. We have a 71 Chevy C10 truck for sale today that I'm going to tell you all about. And real quick, go to volocars.com when you're done watching this. You can see all of our inventory, and this truck and all of our vehicles will have pictures top to bottom, all the description, pricing. We can finance, we can ship it. You can contact us. Our sales guys will help you with every step of the process to make you feel real comfortable that this is the truck for you, and we'll get it in your garage. Let's take this for a spin. I bought this truck in North Carolina 2 years ago. Looked just like this, frame off restored, beautiful. I sold it to a gentleman down in Alabama. He put $18,000 into it, making it even better. Hardly used the truck, and we ended up buying it back. And here it is for sale. It's going to be your benefit. He just put all this money into it. He put a new 383 crate blueprint stroker motor, like 420 horsepower. It's got a TCI turbo 350 trans. Has a new Mosier rear end 342 posi. He put custom suspension. It's all dropped. It's got nitro drop shocks. Up front, it's tubular control arms with drop springs. He put a tachometer. It is four-wheel disc brakes. He even made it power. So I have the receipts. He spent 18 grand on this truck. You get to enjoy it. So anyway, yeah, it's body off the frame restored. Beautiful set of wheels. Got the stepside rear bed. There you go. Everything up here is beautiful. The paint's gorgeous, body's real nice. If you look, there'll be a little flaw here or there in the paint, a little touch-up or something. But overall, it's slick. It looks like it was dipped in red paint. Everything in here is red. The motor's brand new. It has a new air conditioning system. It's got headers, HEI ignition, new aluminum radiator with dual electric fans he added too. Keep in mind, some guys, they just like to tinker with these. So again, he spent all the money for you to enjoy. All new rubber gaskets around the windows, obviously tinted glass. The back is a new rubber gasket. In the bed is all refinished wood with stainless strips. The gas filler has been relocated to inside the bed here. Tailgate does open. I'm going to pop the door open because there's something really cool waiting for you inside here. It has the dashboard of a 59 Chevy Impala. They retrofitted right into this truck. Really cool. I'm sure it's the only one in existence. Even has the 59 Impala steering wheel on a tilt column. It has white face gauges, new tachometer. It has the retro stereo that fits right in the factory hole. And everything's new. The cranks, handles, armrests, the correct upholstery, the carpet, the visors, the mirror. The interior light works. There's sound deadener underneath the carpet. Speaking of sound, let's fire it up so you can hear how it sounds. It's only got 1,433 miles on the odometer. That's since it was built. And the motor, transmission, rear end has even less than that. Like I said, it will come with the receipts. So I'm not just pulling your leg. All this work was really just done. He was happy with the truck. He didn't get rid of it because of their having issues. He just moved on to something else. Windshield is new. Got shaved door handle, so it has remote poppers. Got seat belts. The whole inside of the cab is painted red. The jambs are painted. All new weather strips, custom sill plates. Go to our website in the top right corner of your screen. You can click on it. It'll bring you to this truck. And you can see the underside pictures. You'll see everything I'm talking about. It's all new under there. Sounds real nice. Got a new custom exhaust. It's a very unique truck, and it's got the right ingredients. I buy these trucks. I buy short beds, air conditioned, power steering, power brakes. This has even much more than that, but those are the ingredients. I find people like to use the trucks. Not that you're going to go haul mulch in it, but you'll run around in the truck and use it, enjoy it, show it. Awesome truck. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting multiple videos on every day. Go to our website. You can contact us. You can even leave a comment on this truck on the YouTube page, and we'll respond that way too. However we can help you, let us know. Thank you.